Hello, hello. Oh, is my microphone working? It is. I just have to scroll down to see that audio device. Okay, so this is Blaster Dude again, and I was gonna give my brain a break and play Stalker tonight, but instead, I did this. And what's this? Well, this is an update to the procedural mesh thing that I posted last night. So, last night I showed off that I could drag corners around on a procedural mesh. Well, hey look, I can still do that, but now instead of going free roam, it pops to a grid. So that way it's a lot easier to align things if I want to kind of, remake this cube to be just that little bit different. So might have to change the sizing of those, but yeah, see, it all pops in a grid, and then I can do nice aligned thingamajiggers. That. But the other thing I've done today is allow set up entire face transforms. That got a step backwards. There we go. So now I can move the entire face of a mesh and really quickly edit something. So if I wanted to say like a wall, we could go boom, and then bring these corners down. You have to get the targeting a little better. And make the wall a little bit higher. And let's make it go all the way to the ground. Ooh. And we're just gonna move those over. There we go. Oh, I did weird things. But anywho, you get the idea. It now provides a lot quicker editing that I can just be like, okay, move that out there. Move that out there. There, and there we go. I want to make a axis lock next, so that you only move it on one axis at a time. So I'm not having, like, as I'm trying to move it down, see it's popping out towards me. I don't want that. I want to be able to lock those axes. But yeah, made a thing, well, updated a thing to do something interesting. The other thing I'm thinking of doing is when you move, say, the face, there we go, the original cube, or when you move an anchor, it will draw lines to the other anchors. So it'll give an outline of the new modified mesh before modifying the mesh. And then I want to be able to add a cancel command to pop it back to its original position. So say I do this and I don't want it to go there. I decide, no, I don't want to do that. I could right click and it would pop back without having to try to move it back to its original position. But yeah, again, I'm playing with this concept just myself right now. If anybody does think it's tutorial worthy, please let me know, and we might be able to work on something. Oh, it's like a 3D modeling thing inside of Unreal. I love it. Ooh, let's see what it does with a corner piece. So we're just gonna tell it to load a number 2 block, which I believe is the corner piece. Yes, so I can move these 3, but then if I move this one, it moves those. Oh, that is an That's an interesting transform operation. And then if I move these three, well, hey, if I want to do like really super quick and easy, you know, like spaceship cockpit type things, there we go. Right, like that. It's like there's your slant forward window very quickly, and then I could be like, okay, let's make that wider, and then recenter that top pivot. No, that's not center. Something's wonkety somewhere. I think it's this one. This one's out. There we go. Recenter everything. Yeah. So yeah, that's my update for tonight. And this is a fun little project. So as I continue, I will continue to post updates. And please let me know if anybody out there wants some more information on playing with procedural meshes. Good night.